Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create hello world kind of application using React Native CLI using functional component. So how we do, you see that we have this output right now. If we run first time the React Native application, CLI application, we have this type of screen. And if we see the app.js file, it look like this. And it's very hard to understand. So we start with a simple one. How we start? Just I remove all the things which is mentioned here. Like that, I remove this one. No need of this. First in hello world. And I remove this one also. No need of this. Scroll view, then I remove color this scheme, no need of this also. I need only status bar, then style C, then this, and I remove all this, no need of this. I am removing all, no need of this also, session and this, no need of this. We start just very simple way as we did in Expo. So I remove this, no need of this, and I just do this arrow function and I remove this, no need of this. Then I don't need this also. In place of this I use simple view. Then I just remove this one also, no need of this one. Status bar we have, so I will have this status bar like that. Okay, then I need a scroll view also. I remove this, no need of this. I have a view like this separately. Then I remove all these styles. I remove first of all, no need of this style. Remove this. Now what I do, I remove this one also, section and everything, no need of this. This one also, no need of this. And I remove this scroll view also, and I just put view also here like this. Very simple. You see this, we have a status bar. We can remove this also, but no need of this. And we have a view also here, you see, so I can remove this view also, no need of this. Now what I do, I remove all this. Now in a style sheet I can remove this also, no need of this. I say container only, and I remove all these like this way, no need of this, like that way. And what I do now, here I say simple, I say text, and I say hello world, simple one. And this status bar we have, no need of this, just we put here, we have a text here. So I just see the output now. You see we have hello world like this. Just I design some layout for this. I can say here that we have a flex to 1 as we did in Expo, and I say alignment item to the center like this. Then I say justify content to the center like this, and I remove this also, save this. And if you see now, so we have to put this style to here also. So I say style equal to styles dot container, save this. So you see that we have hello world at the center. Now we can put color also, we can put some style to this also, but I want to show you hello world by using a functional component. So how we can create functional component, then I will explain you the color and the setting also for this. So I create here one folder, I say components like this. Under this I create hello world .jsx. Now I say RAFCE, we have this functional component, and here I want to display hello world. So I just cut this from here and I just replace this, I replace it here like this. Now I import, I say here that it is text from React Native. Now this text is there. Now I have to import this here. So I say hello world component, I import here, save this, and you see that we have a same output here, same kind of output by using functional component. Now I can change color of this also. For that I can say here, I say style equal to and I say color of this is red, and I say font size of this is 30. Save this. So like that way I can also do some formatting hello world like this, and I can say to this also the text hello world in React Native CLI like this using functional component, you see, and I can reduce the size to 20 like this. So you see that we can remove all the setting from this, and we just put the setting which is required to us like this, the basic component, and one by one we will learn the more component also, the style sheet and other, and like status bar, then surface area, so many things are there, scroll view, we will see in a future video. But here in a first hello world application we should only understand the text component. Here we use this text component, and we create functional component for text component, and we pass here in app.js component. Here we import it and we run this. So this is the example, just a first example of hello world type of application, and using functional component. In next video we will see how we can do this by class component. So I think you'll learn it, how to create hello world or first application in React Native CLI in a very simple way. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.